Man, there's nothing better than sneaking out to your Jeep on a Friday and getting away a little early. Except for when maybe it's a V8 Hemi powered Jeep. That's pretty much better. Let's go for a drive. Tell you what, the guys at Highlift did a great job, and I'm not just biased because I work there. This Jeep is absolutely a blast to drive. The lift, the look, everything is just right on it. 37s, 17-inch wheels. My personal opinion, that's the best combination on a Jeep. It has plenty of power, has plenty of get up and go, has the V8 sound. That's probably the best thing about this swap. And it just drives. It just flat out drives. So what we have is a 392 Hemi swap from America's Most Wanted 4x4 up in Michigan. Last fall we took the opportunity to send a couple guys up and get trained up on how to do these swaps, and they've come back and they've just knocked it out of the park. This is just an absolute clean setup on a Gladiator that, let's face it, you just can't find it at the dealership. Except for this one you can. We partnered with Jake Sweeney Jeep to build this 392 swapped Jeep Gladiator Mojave. We put a 2.5-inch lift on it, 37-inch tires, Nitto Ridge Grapplers, and just went through this thing from head to toe. We got it with 9 miles on it. That's exactly 100 miles ago. There's 109 miles on the clock right now, and this thing drives like it came off the showroom with this in it. The 8-speed transmission that is paired behind the Jeeps currently is just a phenomenal transplant for this motor to go in front of. Absolutely just drivability is beyond words. It sounds like I'm repeating myself a lot because there's not much else to say other than you got to drive one. You have to drive a V8 powered Jeep to see what all the fuss is about. It's not about having, oh, I got a V8, stroke my ego. No, it really is just a better driving vehicle as a result of it. This Jeep, being a Mojave, has some of the higher end features that a lot of your other Gladiators won't come with, like the Fox reservoir shocks. We took that into account when we did our lift, and we just used a set of shock extensions from Fabtech so we could maintain that go fast attitude that the Fox resis are designed for. This Jeep has a rear locker. You can get out, no front locker, whereas the Rubicon has a front locker as well. So this is just a locked rear axle capability, which is perfectly suited for the go fast design. You don't have any kind of extra drag up front from having a front axle locked, but you get all the traction in the rear from being able to have both tires spin at the same time. We paired that with a set of the Evo Plush Ride springs for Jeep Gladiators. We used their heavy duty options, which is commonly used on the diesel variants of the Wranglers and Gladiators. It fit this extra weight of the V8 Hemi swap just perfectly. The stance on this thing is absolutely killer. The 37s fit so nice inside the Mojave and Rubicon style high clearance fender failures that come from the factory with it. The color combination of that sting gray and orange is just killer, and that is carried on into the inside here. If this is something you guys are interested in either having us do, or if you like the way this Jeep is by itself, give us a call. Go see the guys at Sweeney. Let them know you're interested in it, and see what you can come up with. I mean, the sky's the limit as far as what we can make it a little more accessible by partnering with the guys at Sweeney for it. You guys have a great day.